So next we will try to get the location update continuously. First, we're going to need to change the location setting, the location request setting, and then we will refer to the request location update article to utilize some of the code. So let's go back to the location setting first. First, you need to copy this code to change the location request setting. So go to your Android Studio and then you paste the code. Paste the code. Okay. And then again, this I will make it as global variable. Okay. Next, remember to import the library. So here you have to be very careful. So the library that we use for the location request is from the android.gms.location. It's not from the android.location, it's from the android.gms.location. So you have to select that one. And then check out your code. Okay, this one I have to remove. So as you can see, the priority underscore high accuracy is deprecated. We need to change it. You search to Google, I think deprecated, and then you look for the article. They're telling you that this content is deprecated. Then you need to use this priority underscore high accuracy. So we try to change it here. Is it working or not? And then import the class. Okay, everything looks good right now. So for the explanation for all this setting, I will explain in the next video. So basically, this is the code for you to set up the location request. Then let's go back to the article for the request location update. So to get the continuous location update, it seems like we need to have some additional element here. So if you check this code, we have the location request already, but we haven't have the location callback. And they are telling you that you can call the start location function in the audition method. And so I think we will set up the location callback first. So if you're going down the code, then they will tell you how to create the location callback. Okay, so we will just copy the code first. Copy one by one. Set the location update in the global variable, and then import the location callback library of the class. And then here we will copy the location callback function. Copy this, and we will create a new function again. Void create location callback. And then paste the code. And then import the class of the library. So if you check the code, meaning that if you get the response from the location, they will store the information here. So here we will use the text field to show the information. So something like this again. So we have the text field location, and then we will append the location that we can get from the location variable. So continue back to the article. So we'll copy this for the start location update, and then paste this in our project. Okay. And then for the third parameter, we are not using to use the looper, so I will just return it at now. Again, the Enter Studio will ask you to check the permission before run this code. So for this, I will suppress the warning first. Go back the article. You also need to have the function called stop location update, because whenever the user not using application, we should stop the update. So copy this code and then paste here. So seems like almost ready. Where we should start the location update. So we copy first. First of all, we need to make sure the create location request is called, create location callback is called first. So we copy the create location request, and for the create location request, we put it in the onCreate function. So meanwhile, the create location callback function I will put in the permission granted function. And then if we grant the permission, then we can start the location update. Start the location update. Where is the okay here? Of course, same line of the code we should put at the top also. Okay. So every time you start something, start the sensor or start the GPS, you also need to close it when user not using the application. So check back the article. We can stop the patient on the onPause function. So just copy. And then I will paste this after the onCreate function. So everything looks good now. Let's try and run the application. And you can see the data is coming in. If you cannot see the changing of the information, then you need to go to the setting, select the location, and then just try to pinpoint out the location, and then you click set the location. So that is how you get the location update continuously.